Hey everybody, Big D here. That's Liam. Welcome to Monday's episode of Big D's and Liam's Custom Garage. Original plan was we were going to work on the 350 some more today, but through putting water in Project Void, we discovered a leak.
Yes, in the worst place possible.
We missed some gasket material on the back of the block when we were assembling, and we thought that we had it all, but apparently we didn't. It happens. It was minor boo-boo, but not such a minor boo-boo because of where it is. But so what we're going to be doing in today's video is fixing said leak, putting fluid in it, and finally starting it up for you guys. So that's what's going to happen today. Also want to give all of you guys a real quick update on the drivetrain situation with Project Darksin, aka El Camino. As you guys know, we decided to go LS style. We have made the final decision. We will be running a LQ4, which is a 5.3 truck motor. They're a little stronger because they're a cast iron block, but they still have the aluminum heads. We're going to be changing the cam and stuff like that in it. The turbos that we decided on are going to be twin 6872s. So there's 68s on the impeller side to help get the thing spooling quicker, and 72 on the cold side. So that's going to be cool. And the most important of all, we are going manual. No more automatic. So we will also be cleaning up and selling the Turbo 350 in a future episode. We are going with a T56, which is what comes pretty much standard in the Camaros, if you can get one in a manual.
And CTSVs.
Yeah, and the CTSVs. So, yeah, the El Camino is going to be a stick shift, and the T56 is a 6-speed.
Yes.
Yes.
Five or six. Yeah.
I think there's 6.
Yeah.
Which will be cool. Especially if it's a 6-speed, because damn, a 6-speed on them road trips.
Yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be nice. We're gonna get crazy good gas mileage, you would think.
Good, better.
Yeah,
Gas mileage.
yeah, we'll get good-ish for a modified vehicle, but yeah. So that is the definite final decision on what is going to be the drivetrain in the El Camino, aka Darksin. So, yep, gonna be cool.
Right.
Gonna be cool, gonna be fast. So now we're gonna get to working on the car, and we're gonna do that now. everybody, welcome back. We got it all back together. We did have some minor issues like we did originally when we took it apart. There's a small heat crossover tube. I think we showed it to you guys in the previous video. I don't know where the old one is. We threw it away. But anyway, it was kind of cross-threaded. The factory one was cross-threaded and it was a bitch to get off, and it kind of jacked up the threads. And each time you take this water neck and adapter off the back of the plate, that heat tube has to come off. So that part was a little bit of a bear, but we got it. It's good. We've got fluids in it. It's not leaking, and Liam's getting ready to start it up, and we're gonna let it start heat cycling, burp the radiator, and top it off. So fire up. Fans are already on, so that's good. Let me show you guys.
No leaks?
I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but there we go.
Fans are spinning.
The fans are spinning already. I still need to add an antifreeze. Liam's checking for leaks.
I think that's old transmission oil. I don't think that's new.
Okay, fans have kicked off, so we know the relays are working. And now they kick back on, which is telling me I need to add more antifreeze.
Alright, let's do that.
Because they have sensors. So I'm gonna keep that straight. Let me top her off here.
Nice and slow. We are leak free.
Oh, baby.
Yep. Come on, Dirk. After this game.
Fluctuate.
Should drain to the overflow, shouldn't it?
Technically yes. Bring the caps on it. No, it has to burp still. Leave that off.
There we go. It's starting to fill a little bit. We saw some room in the overflow, so that shouldn't affect anything.
Check your trans fluid.
See, it's not being opened up yet.
No, it hasn't. I will tell you guys this much. Changing a thermostat on this now, that's the only downfall. It will be a bitch. I gotta go check this. Stop. You're at max level.
Oh, it's one now. There we go. We're starting to pump. We're pumping fluid now.
Yep. Didn't have to burp it.
Yeah.
The overflow did that for us.
I want to pop it just in case.
Nope, she's under pressure now.
Oh, yeah, you're right. But she's flowing.
Yep.
Yeah, we have hot fluid.
Now check for leaks again. Now that she's open.
Clean.
Look under the car.
Yeah. I think that's just from, there's some down there, but it's just from spillage, I think. It's just dripping slowly.
Oh, up here?
Yeah,
Oh,
just
from
you
when
spilling.
when I took the cap off.
Yeah. I don't see any active leaks.
No. So, what me and Liam were talking about on the live stream the other day, how we're using orange, the Chevy orange kind of as a theme. I want to take the valve cover off and paint it orange and then get a black paint pen because the lettering's recessed, and paint all the lettering and numbers black so they stand out. I think that just that one little thing combined with all the stuff we've done will just set the engine compartment off just that much more.
And the fans aren't even on right now, and it's pumping fluid.
What's your tip gauge look like? You know what it normally rides at, so.
It's slow when it's low. Usually it runs straight up.
Okay.
Right now it's cocked a little to the.
So it's about a quarter lower than what it normally runs at.
Yeah. It's definitely overflowing a little bit.
Yes, guys, if you did not know this already, automatic transmissions, they have a spot on them that says check when cold, and then they have a spot that says level when hot.
It's a little low.
And you always have to check when you're checking them for the hot.
Level.
It's almost level as it is. Look at the angle. Okay, well, we're going to shut her off now.
This way.
And, yeah, we're going to shut her off now and
clean everything up.
Clean everything up, and then we'll get right back with you. So, see ya in just a minute. Hey, everybody. As you can see, car's out of the garage. Liam is coming back from his test drive. Here he comes. Right there. Okay. He took it for a test drive real quick. So we can now check the trans fluid again. Our antifreeze levels are good. They haven't dropped. Heater hoses are looking good. We did have a bit of a problem with one off camera, but we got it fixed. We just had to cut a little bit of it off. Liam's doing a final leak check also, making sure everything's looking good. We didn't leave a trail or anything when he left or pulled in, so. But yeah, as you guys can see, this whole reroute kit and the new radiator and trans cooler are working out great. Just wanted to show you guys that real quick, and we'll be right back. All right, everybody, we are back. Liam's car is officially done, buttoned back up, fluids have been topped off, test drive's been done. There's no leaks, everything is sealed up perfectly.
Everything's cooler, which is awesome in this Arizona heat.
Yes, yes, considering it's very hot and humid today, to see that kind of a difference on a day like today is saying something.
Yeah,
You're going to notice even more of a difference when we get into our cooler temperatures
exactly.
this winter. It's going to really, really make a huge difference. He's already noticed there's less detonation too.
Yeah, it seems like it's running a little smoother.
Yeah. Even the idle dropped.
Yeah,
We noticed that the idle dropped a little bit, so that's cool. Because it did idle a little high before, I always
yeah.
thought. So,
It's within normal range though. It's the high end of normal range.
yeah.
Anyway,
Yeah, I'm very, very impressed with all of it. So, yeah, Wednesday we are going to get back to working on the 350, which is sitting right here beside me, wrapped up in this trash bag. But yeah, we're going to get back to working on it, get it wrapped up. Tomorrow I am going to start ordering stuff to get ready to build our fire up stand that we were talking about on the live stream. Yes, we are going to fire this motor up for you guys, break it in for you guys, and everything. So you guys are going to get to hear it run. We're going to adjust the timing. We're going to get all the parts broke in. That way, when we put it up for sale, whoever comes and buys it, it will literally be a turnkey motor. They'll be able to take it home, slap it in their project, hook up their wires and hoses, turn the key, boom, ready to go.
okay.
So, yeah, that's going to do it for today. We will see you guys on Wednesday. I'm Big D,
And I'm Liam.
and we're out.